Hey, what's wrong? Thanks for all the help yesterday with ISO, but I'm still super confused. All my photos are coming out blurry. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. That's the worst. How about I help you? Your photos are always so, sharp. Would you teach me? Yes. That would be amazing. Okay, so your problem is shutter speed. Let me tell you about shutter speed. We're just gonna start at the basics, okay? Shutter speed is a fraction. It's measured by 1 over something, like 1 over 400, and it means how fast your shutter is opening and closing. So like 1 over 400, your shutter is opening and closing at a rate of 1/400th of a second, which sounds like it's pretty fast, but it's actually it's not that fast. 1 over 1,000, that's fast, okay? So if you're taking photos of still subjects, you should be no slower than 1 over 400. That's a little bit controversial, but what I mean by slower is your denominator should be no lower. So slower, lower, they rhyme. The lower the denominator, the slower the shutter speed, the more blurry we get, okay? So you want to stay 1 over 400 or higher, and I mean a higher denominator. So 1 over 400, 1 over 500, 1 over 640, somewhere in there, that's like a really good spot to be at for still subjects. You're gonna make sure they're crispy, you're not gonna get any blur. So that's probably your problem, is you're probably at like 1 over 200, 1 over 125, something like that, and you're getting blur because it's impossible to hold your camera perfectly still all the time without moving at all because you're not a robot or a tripod, you're a human. Okay, so 1 over 400 or higher. Now stay with me. If you're taking photos of moving subjects, like someone's running or something like that, you need to be at 1 over 1,000 or higher, because otherwise their legs are blurred while they're running. The basketball is blurry. It's like not fully in focus. Like you want your photo to be crisp, in focus, not blurry. So 1 over 1,000 for moving subjects. So just to recap, 1 over 400 for still subjects, 1 over 1,000 for moving subjects. This is for digital, not film. Film is a little bit different. Does that make sense? Okay, that makes sense. Do you know about the other setting, f-stop? Do you know about that one? Come back tomorrow for aperture. We'll talk about aperture too, but I gotta go. We don't have time today. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, have you gone and watched all my other videos in my free photography education playlist on YouTube? Yeah, I did go watch some of them. I haven't finished yet though. Okay, good. Keep watching those. That will help you understand what we're talking about tomorrow. Thank you so much again. Bye. Bye. See ya.